Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Char-Broil Classic Series 3-burner gas grill with side burner. A product that we consider the best cheap gas grill clearance deal available right now. Whether you're a seasoned grilling pro or just getting started, this grill offers fantastic value for money without sacrificing quality or performance. The Char-Broil Classic Series 3-burner gas grill is a propane-powered grill that is built for both durability and convenience. It runs on a 20-pound liquid propane tank, which is sold separately, but this model heats up quickly and delivers impressive cooking temperatures, ensuring that your food is grilled to perfection every time. It features a 360 square inch primary cooking area, which is perfect for grilling up to 14 burgers, 8 chicken breasts, or 5 steaks, making it a great option for family cookouts or small gatherings. Additionally, it comes with a 170 square inch warming rack, which is ideal for keeping your food warm or cooking with indirect heat. What sets this grill apart is its side burner, which offers 8,000 BTUs of cooking power. This allows you to heat sauces, sauté vegetables, or even boil water, adding versatility to your grilling experience. The large side shelf is also a great feature, providing plenty of space to store plates, sauces, or your grilling tools, ensuring everything you need is within reach as you cook. If you're looking for convenience and organization, the Char-Broil Classic Series has you covered with its gear track system. This system is compatible with a range of accessories that help you stay organized while grilling, such as condiment baskets, cup holders, and tool hooks. It's all about making your grilling experience more efficient, and this grill certainly delivers. In terms of performance, the Char-Broil Classic Series 3-burner gas grill boasts a solid 30,000 BTU rating. Its porcelain-coated wire grates are lightweight, making them easy to lift and clean while offering excellent heat recovery. The grates are designed to cook your food evenly, and they provide fast warm-up times, so you don't have to wait long to start grilling. This grill is a fantastic choice if you're on a budget but still want a reliable, high-performing gas grill for your outdoor cooking needs. With its durable build, efficient design, and useful features like the side burner and large side shelf, it offers a complete grilling solution at an affordable price. So, if you're in the market for a new grill that combines functionality and affordability, the Char-Broil Classic Series 3-burner gas grill should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more reviews on the best deals and top products. Happy grilling!